Are you ready to learn how to analyze candlestick charts and candlestick patterns for stock trading and technical analysis? Welcome to the Candlestick Patterns for Stock Trading Technical Analysis online training course. Here's where you'll follow along with me as you learn how to read and analyze candlestick charts, implement both simple and complex candlestick patterns for stock trading, and how to combine candlestick patterns with various indicators and overlays for more accurate technical analysis. Learning how to read and use candlestick patterns will take your technical analysis to a whole nother level. Using these patterns and strategies will allow you to make much more calculated trading decisions. Combining candlestick patterns with various other technical indicators not only allows you to make better trend predictions, but also helps you to select the best entry and exit points. It will take some time and practice, but with the right training, you can develop your skills much faster than trying to learn on your own. This class is jam-packed with candlestick patterns and technical analysis training, and you will learn tons of strategies and tips with zero fluff or filler. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or an experienced trader looking to learn some new strategies, this course will provide you with the tools you need to be successful in your candlestick chart journey. Take some time now to check out the course curriculum and free preview videos so you can see all the valuable information that we'll be covering in the course. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the course.